This is the China one. It's a little bit cheaper model, what you'll find on the Deutz, original Deutz engines. What we do is we rebuild engines, we put it on the floor as per this specification. We don't put anything else on them, no starters, no alternators. If you get a client that's looking for an engine that has been refurbished, then we can only put all these extra parts that he needs for his specific specification. So that's why you'll find on all the pictures we have, on all the engines we build them and put them on the floor like this, so that it's easier for us not to play around, putting parts, taking parts off, to waste time and precious money for clients to wait, where we can just fit them and then load them on the bakkie and then we'll deliver. These ones here are for reconditioned. They are in line to be stripped. What we do with every engine that comes in, we take photos of the engine to ensure that everything is on the engine. All the things that's broken that needs to be replaced, we will give that on a spreadsheet for the client. We call it a failure report with the stripped parts, with all the failed parts, and then we'll do an in-depth, detailed failure report stating why do we need to replace this, and this is caused by that. So I think maybe you should go and change this or maybe change that on your application to ensure that that sort of failure does not occur again. So these ones are for stripping. This is how the engines look when they are stripped. We then take every single part and we send the client a detailed report on every single part. We measure them. We ensure that we do not use defective parts again in a engine that the customer pays for. This one needs to go for chemical cleaning. It was on a dry bulk carrier with those cement trucks that carries the dry bulk. The cement on it is too much. We cannot handle it to clean it here. So this one will actually go for a acid bath to take off all these type of particles to ensure that once we are done, the engine will look nice and neat and clean again.